Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Physics Programmers. Today I will show you how to write a code to do numerical integration using trapezoidal rule. So let me first start with importing the important libraries like NumPy and Matplotlib. I am using Python. You can use any programming languages. So let me first define the function of which I want to get the integration value. So let me just start with the simplest, the linear function, that x, and let me just define the traps function which will integrate f from a to b, some range a to b, and it should return b minus a multiplied by f a plus f b divided by 2, which is the formula for trapezoidal rule. And just let me print it. So integration over 0 to 1 fx is x, so x dx is x square by 2. So if you put this limit 0 to 1, then you should get 0.5. so just let me print it, and it is 0.5. It is exact because the function is linear. So with trapezoidal rule you can just integrate exactly up to linear function. So x plus 3, it should give you 3.5, so it is 3.5. but whenever you will give this x square, let's say, then ideally it should give you the 0.33, because it's 1/3 it should be, because x square integration over 0 to 1, that means x cubed by 3, so this should give you 1/3, but it is giving you 0.5 because this is a quadratic function. But with trapezoidal you cannot integrate exactly it. So for that, let me just define some integration function, integ, which will integrate f over a to b with some number of intervals. So let me just make an interval which will be divided into small n intervals. Okay, so each interval has this width h. Okay, so for that, let me just in range, just let my answer is 0. So answer is 0, initialized to 0, and then just let me add all the partial integration sum. So these are the partial integration. So if a plus I into h to a plus I plus 1 into h. So this is the integration of fx over from a plus ih to a plus I plus 1h. So if I just integrate from 0 to n, then it should go up to this range. For this range I should go up to 0 to n minus 1. So when this is the I is equals to 0, then it will go up to a plus h. Okay, but when I is equals to n minus 1, then it will go up to a plus n minus 1h to a plus nh. A plus nh means b from here. Okay, so it will give you the total result. So this answer is the integration of f a to b with n intervals. So now just intake f0 to 1 and with maybe 10 trapezoids, then it will go near 0.33, and you can see that it is now 0.335. And if you just go up to 1000, so then it is more near to 0.33, so it is more near to 1/3. So this is how you can just calculate using trapezoidal rule. You can calculate these integrals, and you can just let me just do another thing of maybe 3x cube. So it should give 0.5, so it is nearly about 0.5. So this is how you can just solve, and you can see that if you just increase the number of intervals, then the error actually decreasing and it is going closer to the actual result. So thank you, subscribe my channel.